Welcome to our next session, English lesson 2 shadows. We completed 3 part children. 3 sessions we completed. Now the 4th session we started the exercises also. The 4th exercise is in page number 16. Here second exercise, choose choose one word, word, word from each box to make a compound word. To make a compound word. Page number 16. See this children. Choose one word from each box to make a compound word. You are getting the options in first box: out, sun, bet, some, over, the not. Here in the second section, this is section A, and the second section we are getting book, room, head, then thing, T-H-I-N-G, thing, sight, shine. We are getting some words here. This is the first section. This is the second section. We are getting 6 words from each section. We should find a word, meaningful word from these 2 boxes. From here one word and from this box one word. That is, we should get the meaningful word. That is the compound word. 2 words are if, that is the separating this word 2 parts. That also a word, next also a word. That is meaningful 2 words. When we are joining, getting the another meaning. Another word and another meaning. That is the compound word. Here some words are there. Out. Out has one meaning, and from here we are selecting one word is side. Side also another word, but this is a word, outside. That is a meaningful word. The next one is here in this box, but. You know this meaning, but. Here from there we are taking one word, room. This also another word and room also another word. But together we are getting the another meaning word. So bedroom. Isn't it children? That is the component word. Then number 3. Over. From this box we are writing over. From there H-E-A-D, head. These 2 words have the different meaning. Together we are getting the another meaning. Isn't it? Then next number 4. Sun, from this column, sun, from there, shine. This is the compound word, sunshine. Then, in this box, some, from there we are taking thing, something. Number 6, here we are getting one word, not. From there, book. See children, this is a component word. Outside, 2 words are there, getting one meaningful word. Outside, bedroom, overhead, sunshine, something, notebook. These are the component words. We joined these two words from the each boxes. Okay, children? We got the 6 compound words here, children. Again, here the exercise is write, here third one, write sentences using any 4 of these compound words. Here the next exercise is, by using these words, compound words, we should write sentences. Then first one is, first compound word we found here, outside. So write a sentence with outside. That is, there is someone outside at the gate. Here we use the word outside, underlined here. You can write another sentences also. It's raining outside. Then children are playing outside. Okay, you can write another words also. Then next one is sunshine. We will take. Where is the sunshine? Here. Let's sit outside in the warm shine. This is the compound word, and here 2 words are there, compound words. Let us sit outside in the warm sunshine. So the next third one, we are sleeping in the bedroom. This is the compound word in this sentence. We are sleeping in the bedroom. Then next number 4. The sun was overhead and it was very hot. Here the compound word is overhead. When the lesson explanation also we understood that when the sun is overhead, our shadow will be fat, and that will happen in the noon time, isn't it? See here, the sun was overhead and it was very hot. Now we use the 4 words, children. Outside used, sunshine, bedroom used, overhead. Then 2 are left, something and notebook. Can you say any sentence with something? Please give me something to eat. Okay. The next, notebook. Children are writing in the notebook, not in the notebook. That way we can use this compound words in the sentences. Now we understood, children, what are the compound words? 2 words, the separate words that has a meaning, but joined together we are getting 1 word and it has the another meaning. That is the compound word. Okay, children. Next exercise, give another word for each of the following words. Here we are getting some words and we have the options in the column. It is in the textbook page 17, children. The another word means same word, not opposite. Same meaning word. Okay, another word. Okay. First one is try. Try means hard work. Try again. That means attempt. From the box we should get attempt. Where is the attempt word? A-T-T-E-M-P-T. Attempt. The next, second one is often. O-F-T-E-N. Often means continuously. That is the meaning. That is frequently. Frequently. Same meaning. Often means continuously we are getting. Frequently, continuously. Same meaning. Number 3, block. B-L-O-C-K. Block. Block means stop. Same meanings we are getting. Stop. From the box we are selecting, children. Number 4, game. Game means from the box we are getting. What is the word, children? Sports. Game, sport. Then number 5, chase. C-H-A-S-E. Chase means follow. Chases, follow. Number 6, space. S-P-A-C-E. Space. We are getting the same word, that is area. Space and area also same meaning. Then number 7, shape. We are getting the same meaning, that figure. F-I-G-U-R-E. Figure. Shape, figure. Same meanings, children. Then number 8, bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright means shining. Sun shines brightly. Sun shines shining. Then number 9, skinny. Skinny means thin. T-H-I-N. Thin. Then number 10, decide. The same meaning is choose. Choose your decision. Decide your thing. Decision. So choose. Number 11, umpire. Umpire. For the games we are seeing the umpire. Who is that? Referee. Referee. Number 12, require. Require. Same meaning is need. We required water, we need water. We required food, we need food. Then number 13, strange. S-T-R-A-N-G-E. Strange means odd. O-D-D. Odd. Number 14, flashlight. That means torch. We learned this in the meaning, children. So once again, children, we are getting the same meaning words: try, attempt, often, frequently, block, stop, game, spot, chase, follow, space, area, shape, figure, bright, shining, skinny, thin, decide, choose, umpire, referee, require, need, strange, odd, flashlight, torch. Okay, children? Next exercise 5. Put these words in alphabetical order. In alphabetical order. O-R-D-E-R order. Page number 17. Here we are getting S-H-A-P-E, shape, S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow, S-H-A-R-P, sharp, S-H-I-P, shape, next S-H-A-D, shade, then S-H-O-R-T, short. One thing, children, what does it mean, the alphabetical order? You know the alphabets, A to Z letters. So A is the first letter, so that is the alphabetical order. You know this, 5th class now, you know the alphabetical order. I don't need to explain. Here the first letters we should consider. Here S-H-A-R-P, S-H-A-P-E, shape, S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow, S-H-A-R-P, sharp, S-H-I-P, sheep, S-H-A-D, shad, S-H-I, shade, S-H-O-R-T, short. Here almost first 2 letters are same. So the children, S-H, 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 S-H and S-H. We should consider the third letter. If you are getting like, we should consider the third letter. Third is here A. Here A, here A, here also A. So what we will do? Consider go to the 4th letter. What is the 4th letter here? P, D and D. Here R. So which letter will come here? Then after E. So first letter word is shade. First letter is word is shade. Then next shadow, S-H-A-D-O-W, shadow. Then next S-H-A-P-E, shape. Then next we finished, then we are going to I, S-H-I-P, shape and S-H-O-R-T, short. How we consider, children? First 3 letters are same here, then first letter this is, we consider that the 4th letter here. So this is the 4th letter here. Then after A, after I, third letter I. So S-H-I-P. Here I after O, S-H-O-R-T. These are the alphabetical order. We should write these, arrange these words in the alphabetical order. Now we completed 5 exercises, children. We should write in the class workbook and homework book also, children. Thank you.